Excuse me? You never touch the other elves like that. Do that again and you'll pull back a stump. What? Well? Hello? Let's go. Move it. Follow me.
Deo gratias. Unemare valemantus.
You talking to me? Hands off, grubber. Don't waste my time. What? Need something? Bring it on. Follow me. Step aside, Junior. Draw steel, boys.
I'm growing impatient. Don't push it. When my work is finished, I'm coming back for you. I'm alive. Yes? Make it quick. Of course, Master. Very well. Do you like fire? I'm full of it. What? I'm waiting. Yes. All right. We don't understand. Are you opposing Shadow Moon? Ner'zhul will have your head. Huh? What do you want? Yes, at once, my master. For Ner'zhul. We're on our way.
What do you want? Ugh, I love blowing things up. Bombs are great. Tilt one back with me, dog. Dwarf's ready. Aye, laddie. All right, move out. Yes, sir.
We must take action. Time is of the essence. Even elder races get tired of waiting. I come to serve. Exalted One, my sovereign, your wish? Yes. By your command, for the Alliance. Move out.
Hello, Sonny. Want me to fly? Are you listening? I'm flying! Goodbye! I've got a flying machine!
We've got explosives! Kaboom! Oh, it's beautiful! We're ready? What? Yes? Who is it? Hello? Okay. Yes, boss. All right.
Welcome to my nightmare! I am Iron Man! Feelings! What? Tell me what to do! Yes? Slice and dice! Take it! Time to die!
You've played the shareware, now buy the game. In the retail version, I'm much funnier.
Each player network with multiplayer capability with full Redbook audio and movies in the full retail version. Buy it now.
Your command? We are under attack. The town is under attack. Make up your mind. Are you still touching me? Don't you have a kingdom to run? I do have work to do. Join the army, they said. See the world, they said. I'd rather be sailing. Awaiting orders. Your command? Your orders? Yes, sire? Yes? My lord? At your service. Work completed. Yes. As you wish. At once, sire.
Stop it! You! Do you feel lucky, punk? Need a hand? Yeah? Huh? I'm on it. Chop chop. Yep.
Do you know who I am? I'm very busy. Are you still here? Hello? Yes, what is it? If I must. All right. Yes.
I need orders. Give me a quest. Don't force me to run you through. Ready to serve, my lord. Your Majesty, at your service. Sire, what ho? We move in your name for the king. Defending your honor.
I'll fling a hammer at you. You got a belly full of haggis. Ugh, there's no hope for this lad. What? Aye? Yes, lad. Okay. Yes, sir.
Baremu.
Yes, Master. I don't want to. All right. Now I'm hungry. This way. No, that way. He did it. No, he did it. We're ready, Master. I'm not ready. Huh? What? What? Huh? Yes? Master? Okay. Yes, Master. All right. We did it. We're not brainless anymore. I've got the brain. We're ready, Master. Yes, Master. What? Yes. What is it? Yes, Master. Of course. Right away.
You're good looking for a human. You buy retail version or I'll chop you into little bits. You buy full version, please. You go buy now or I sing. La, 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 la. We're being attacked. They're destroying our city. What? Look out. Ew, that tickles. I would not do such things if I were you. Missed me. Excuse me. Your command, Master. Itok, Zogtog, Glortuk. Work complete. Zugzug, Tabu, Gloktar, Swobu.
Charge! I need orders. Give me a quest. Don't force me to run you through. Ready to serve, my lord. Your Majesty, at your service. Sire, what ho? We move in your name. For the king. Defending your honor.
Oh, what? Now what? More work? Leave me alone. I don't want to do this. I'm not listening. Ready to serve. Yes, my lord. What is it? Hello. Job's done. Okay. Righto. Alright. Yes, my lord.
Stop rocking the boat. You're making me seasick. Captain on the bridge. Aye, Captain. Skipper. Set sail. Aye, aye, sir.
Who wants to sing? Done building ship. Arg? Aye, matey? Yes, Captain? Ahoy! I would love to. You're the captain.
That doesn't hurt. This is the reason I ended it all. Stop that incessant clicking. Greetings. Yes? Immediately. Whatever you wish. I'd be delighted. I got axe for you. Say hello to my little friend. New troll here. You got me? Don't want the axe? Would you want me kill? Okay. Alright. You the boss. Why must you torment me? You think Lothar's death was my fault, don't you? I challenge you, heathen. I am at your service. Command me. Orders, sire? A noble quest. For Lothar, of course, my king.
I'm a busy man. Don't anger me. I warned you. Who summoned me? What is it? Do you need assistance? As you wish. Very well. All right.
I can see my house. I wish I had a weapon. Here I am.